In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo on Google Sites, fast and easy. Whether you're sprucing up your site for business purposes, or just because you want it to look more professional, adding a logo is a great way to personalize your space and make it truly yours. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Google Sites. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and entering Google Sites into the search bar, or accessing it through your Google account if you're already logged in. Once you're on the main page of Google Sites, you should see a list of your existing sites. Click on the site where you'd like to add a logo. If you haven't created a site yet, you can easily follow prompts to start a new one. This tutorial assumes you already have one ready. After selecting your site, look for the section dedicated to the logo. This is typically located in the customization options of your site's interface. Click on this logo section, which will open up a new window or panel for you to work in. Here you'll see an option that says Add Logo. Go ahead and click that button. Next, you'll be prompted with the option to upload your logo file. Click on Upload. It's helpful to have your logo file saved and ready to go on your desktop or in a file you can easily navigate to. This image should be in a suitable format, like a JPEG or PNG, and preferably in a high resolution to ensure that it looks crisp and clean on your site. Once you select and upload your desired logo, you'll see it appear in the logo section of your site panel. If everything looks good, you can then close the dialog box that you were using to upload the image. This is a straightforward step, but make sure to double-check that your logo appears correctly in the preview section of your site. With your logo in place, the final step is to publish your changes for everyone to see. Locate and click the Publish button, which is usually in the top right corner of your Google Sites interface. By publishing, you're making all the changes live. Your site will now have that professional touch with the new logo. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Google site. This simple tweak not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but can also significantly aid in brand recognition if you're using it for business. Enjoy customizing your site, and feel free to revisit these steps if you ever need to switch out or update your logo in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building!